Are you seeing this? Look at this hair. Are you seeing the thickness? Are you seeing the length? It just 6 years. Yes. This is baby girl of the house, Madam Thelma. And this is Madam Tracy, small mommy of the house. And this is Mommy Lindsay. Are you seeing that? You are welcome to my channel. On today's video, as you can see, I'm over my hair. See, that noise of it. If your hair does not grow, if your hair does dry up every now and then, if your hair does not grow hair, dry up, if your hair does break, this video is for you. Agree with me that if you are able to manage your hair not to break every wash day, no weapon will function against your hair that will prosper anymore. Praise Master Jesus. I repeat, if you are able to manage your hair not to break every wash day, that means we got it already. So I posted this video about 3 months ago. It got 10,000 views within a very short time, and that is a lot view for my channel as for now. And today I'll be telling you, I was applying this product on my hair and people love it, and many questions was raised. What is that exactly, Sister Lizzie? So today, keep on watching and go and watch this again to see how I do the application. Okay, so this is what we do every wash day that keep our hair long and thick. Okay, I use this to boil flaxseed gel. So this is green tea, bay leaf, and rosemary. The dry one, if you are able, the fresh one, I guess, yeah, the fresh one. So even if it's dry, by the time you cook, it's the same result. So I boil it the way you boil your tea, and I use the water to boil flaxseed gel. Please let me quickly tell you, if you're the type that use flaxseed gel once, you just throw it away, please, you are wasting it too. You can actually boil it, get the gel out of it minimum of 3 times until the gel is not gelling that anymore before you throw it away. I used to do that. I don't know just any one of you are into using it once and just throwing it away. So you apply it. You watch that video to see the way I apply it. I will see, you will see it on the comment section. Anyway, click it please after watching this. So what we do is, after separating our hair into part, please, if you want to separate your hair, especially people like God have helped us to get hair that is plentiful, it's advisable to split your hair or share your hair in more than 4 places, minimum 6, because the more smaller section or the more small section you work on is better for you. And we use the flaxseed gel to work on every session. And after this, what do? We cover it again and wash our hair. By the time we finish washing our hair, we use what? Not just balsam, any hair food, the condition that you like, you use it. And at the end of the day, your hair will come out like a newborn baby hair. You know, newborn baby hair, no matter how plentiful their hair is, the moment water touches it, it becomes so soft, like half cast hair. I don't know if you notice it. Okay, if you're a mom, you know what I'm talking about. The flaxseed gel that you are using, with all the benefit of the herbs that you cook together, has no benefit at all if you use it cold alone. So it will render no benefit if you use it cold. People are not aware of this. That is why when I see some people applying this product on their hair and it's not warm, that you feel it, not go and burn yourself, or that you feel the warmness on your scalp, it doesn't have benefit at all. I'm telling you. Because that warmness triggers something on your scalp. Okay? So let it be warm. You see, when I was applying this one, it looked like it was so warm. So I add the cold one to mix it immediately so that will not burn. Although it could have burned me because I was able to take it with my hand. But for my scalp, it was somehow too much. So when you are applying this, you must make sure that the hair is warm. Sorry, the water is warm. That is why when I use it, please don't come and judge me. As you see that, in fact, we're almost cooking the hair. Some of you do cook your with on or wing inside the pot. So look at what I'm doing. Please don't come and judge me, please. I beg you in the name of God, because I know now. Please, just leave me alone. My life is very simple. If you don't like what I'm doing here, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That is just me. I can't pretend about it. Okay? This is what I do. So if you are able to be doing this minimum of 2 weeks, once in 2 weeks, you'll be good to go. You will be good to go. You know why? Number one, your hair will, look at my hair. Your hair will remain, your scalp will remain clean, because a clean environment, your clean scalp give hair opportunity to spring up easily. When the product, so much of product is here, it weighs the scalp. Okay, it weighs the hair. Okay, some people might be even be having undergrowth on their scalp, they will not know. Because if we are having it on our armpit or private part, we easily see. Do you know that sometimes? Yeah. So such thing will happen to our hair also. Look at my hair. When I look at the girl's hair, I look as if my hair is not growing anymore. Okay, I said, Father, why do I have to cut my hair? 2 years ago, but my hair is growing. Look at it, your hair is growing. Okay, so this video is to show you the thing that we use to boost our hair, and this help the growth, the thickness, the softness, the moisture, the flexibility, the moisture retention, and less breakage and all of that. That is why I said if you are able to manage your hair not to break. Hair break is different from hair shed. I think you know that by now. Okay. If you are able to manage your hair not to be breaking every wash day, so no weapon will function against your hair that will prosper anymore. Because that is the day that is where the devil is working. It's like, God. You need to watch the video I posted before this very one. How I boost our hair. I have boosted this hair. I have boosted this hair already. Yeah. I have boosted it. I will leave you now in the house of Christ. Hello, beautiful. Hello, what I see. Hi. This can go another day. Hi. This guy girl, another one on the this can go another one on the this can go another one on the this can go another one on the this can go. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy.